Every August, the coastal town of Senya Beraku in Ghana's Effutu Senya district comes alive with color, music, and tradition. This is Akumasi, a festival that carries deep meaning for the Effutu people who are part of the larger Guan ethnic group. Akumasi, meaning no more hunger, recalls a time when famine nearly crippled this land. Through unity, hard work, and farming, the ancestors overcame hunger. Today, their descendants celebrate the victory of resilience. The festival is more than celebration. It is a moment to honor the ancestors, to give thanks for life, and to pray for peace, unity, and development. At this year's Akumasi, the Alikoto group performed a powerful reenactment. They dramatized how people were captured in wars, invasions, or tribal conflicts and marched to Fort Good Hope, a Dutch fort built in 1705 on this very coast. Their performance reminds us of the cruelty of human bondage, the fear, the loss, but also the courage of those who endured. It is a story that still echoes through the walls of Fort Good Hope.